How obesity can reduce testosterone and how obesity can hurt your sex life. Obesity is responsible for reducing testosterone levels, according to Kimberly Gomer, MS, a registered dietitian and the director of nutrition at Body Beautiful Miami. This is due to reductions in sex hormone binding globulin, SHBG, a protein that carries androgens, testosterone and dihydrotestosterone, and estrogen in the blood. Overweight obesity can cause erectile dysfunction, ED, by damaging blood vessels, decreasing testosterone, and causing a state of generalized inflammation in the body. Abdominal obesity is particularly linked to ED, especially in older men. The increased state of inflammation may cause free radicals that contribute to ED. Obesity also affects reproductive health in both men and women by causing infertility, lowering testosterone levels, and reducing libido. Overweight and obesity can prevent ovulation, which affects fertility. With healthy weight loss, these complications can be reversed. Obesity treatment is typically comprehensive, combining lifestyle changes with medications and, in some cases, weight loss surgery. The first line of treatment for obesity should involve a healthy eating plan and regular physical activity, which needs to be tailored and individualized based on the person's lifestyle and goals. If you want a daily testosterone booster supports for optimal male performance, click on the link on the description below for help. How obesity can hurt your sex life. Do you know that obesity can overshadow the penis, thereby harming your sex life? Obesity can have negative effects on a man's sex life in many ways, including decreasing testosterone levels, increasing the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease, and leading to erectile dysfunction, ED. Other potential effects include low confidence and self-esteem, skin problems, nerve damage in the penis, and low stamina due to weight and lack of exercise. Losing weight through diet and exercise can help improve sexual function and overall health. If weight loss is not effective, it may be necessary to seek help from a doctor or fitness trainer to identify the root cause and develop a treatment plan. Additionally, reducing alcohol intake and trimming pubic hair can have cosmetic benefits for the appearance of the penis. Other possible implications of obesity on your sexual life include 1. Low self-esteem and confidence. Bacterium that forms in the folds of extra skin that causes infection and skin issues. 2. Penis nerve endings are damaged as a result of the pressure from the surrounding fat. 3. Low stamina brought on by being overweight, eating poorly, and not exercising. Do you want to get your drive back and feel great again? Click on the link on the description below.